They say that everything moves slower in the South, and that statement becomes increasingly true this time of year. It is fast approaching the end of November, and we are just now hitting the peak of fall. I was born and raised in upstate New York, and the changes happen much more quickly there. One day, you're immersed in the lush greens of midsummer, and the next, you're surrounded by this incredible burst of reds and oranges and yellows. Then, in the blink of an eye, it all transforms into a crystalline winter wonderland. When I first moved to South Carolina, I was discouraged by the lack of intensity during the autumn months. The way each little thing happens so quietly and at its own pace instead of changing all at once. But the longer I live here, the more I begin to appreciate the way this season lingers on, giving us time to truly be present and experience the moments that we are in, while building excitement and anticipation for whatever comes next. This leisurely southern shift into fall reminds me to celebrate the earth not only during the Sabbats or major holidays, but to find ways to honor her, if only for a moment, each and every day. Because the turn of the wheel does not happen suddenly in one instant. It is a slow and ever-flowing current of momentum that keeps us moving forward in time and propels us toward the future. Taking our cues from the earth and the seasons and the processes that are happening all around us, tuning into those rhythms and flowing with them is one of the most instinctual and nourishing ways to create magic in our everyday lives. One of my favorite ways to deepen my spiritual practice during the autumn months is to follow the earth's flow of energy inward. Focusing on my immense gratitude for all of the beautiful people and colorful experiences in my life. All of the new growth and progress that we have been nurturing since spring. But also respecting this as a time for letting go. For releasing all that does not serve my deepest inner self and moving gently towards a state of peaceful introspection. Stopping to breathe the crisp, cool air, looking up at the sky and trees and appreciating this opportunity to be a part of such a great cosmic shifting. Recognizing and deepening my connection to Source and the universe as a whole. I'm using this time to take a break from my phone for a while, specifically from social media, to ignore the societal pressure to keep up the hustle or rush or be more productive, allowing inner work and self-care to be my priorities. Listening to the earth as it encourages me to pause, to rest and heal. I'm looking forward to these colder, darker months of solitude, the slower seasons of the year. Spending quiet time alone with my family, going for walks, reading books by the fire, crafting and eating wholesome, warm, and nutritious foods that are handmade with meaningful intentions. I hope that you too will find ways to nourish your spirit during this season of life, my friends. To let go of the heaviness and take a deep breath inward. I'm sending you love as always and wishing you all many blessings.